evening, everyone, and thank you so much. This has been a very embarrassing evening for me. Okay. Again, Arjun told me to show my abs also. But thank you so much. First of all, I'd like to thank Shoppers Stop, as you heard from Govind. This has been an institution which has been set up in 1991, and I've heard, and everyone knows here in India, the biggest departmental store, 22 stores in 10 cities. That's really fantastic. Yeah? On behalf of the whole team here, that's Shreyas, Deepika, and Arjun, the only two guys, and I can say this only because I've been acting in films a little longer than them, that throughout the making of the film I was telling them what to do, and tonight they had an amazingly good laugh because I didn't know what to do. And they told me all the wrong things. But thank you so much, all of you, for being here, and I want to thank specifically Shoppers Stop. I hope this line of clothes, which is at times a little garish, a little vulgar also, but you know, the younger generation is like that. We all like kind of. So I hope it does well for Shoppers Stop. And thank you so much for giving us this opportunity, Mr. Nagesh, the MD of Shoppers Stop. And some of the models in our films have learned a little from us. And tonight, all of us actors have learned a lot from this modeling world. And I think all the boys and girls, no, I can't say boys and girls, makes me seem older. All the guys and babes. You know, I'm trying the cool model vibe, yeah. Yeah, so all the ladies and the gentlemen behind, thank you very much for making this show so wonderful. Great experience, and of course this experience would be impossible, as I said, without Shoppers Stop, all of you here, and the one person I'd like to call on stage who is the brain behind this creation, the creative brain behind this creation. If it wasn't for her, none of us would be here. She's done a great job. Let me tell you, the only man amongst all the men, and I don't say it in a derogatory way. She is the man. Ladies and gentlemen, please, I'd like to call on stage the one and only Farah Khan. Just to prove us wrong that she's not a man, she's got triplets.
Yeah.
The proof is there. And do you like to call Nagesh?
Yeah, we'll call Nagesh, but before that I would really like to thank the three designers who have made the look of this film so fabulous, if I may say so myself. That's Manish, please take a bow. And Karan Johar. You can't disown these clothes, you have to admit you. And Sanjeev Mulchandani, where are you? So I think it's because of the three of them that the look is so fabulous. And now we'll call Mr. Nagesh.
And yes, Mr. Nagesh, you come now that you've gotten up. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. Please come on stage, sir. And this is the gentleman behind this whole...
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great privilege, great honor to be here. When Shoppers Stop started in 1991, we always wanted to create some benchmark, a great quality, and we always wanted to do something which is very pioneering, and this is the first pioneering step in association with the film world, the Bollywood. And when we talk of quality and our mission statement, which says nothing but the best, we always look at the best, otherwise we've never done anything. And here's the best director, the best actor, and the best team. And that's our association with Om Shanti Om. We have a very, very strong belief in this range, which is an adoption from the film. Kudos to all the designers who have created. Kudos to the design team which has adopted this. But I would like to thank Shah Rukh Khan, personally, Farah Khan, Arjun Rampal, Deepika, and Shreyas for being here, honoring this event, and making it a big, big success. Since I took the name of Deepika, Farah, if you allow me, the store Shoppers Stop was inaugurated by none other than the world's leading badminton player, Prakash Padukone. And he's here. Okay, so we are so proud that we had Prakash inaugurating the store, and our first association with Bollywood with Shah Rukh and the team. Deepika, you are here. I would also like to thank the models who done a fantastic job, and what they showcased, I'm sure, is going to become a rage in our store. I would also like to thank Maids India, because without them, Darshana and Suraj, without them, this event would not have happened. 70s, the event, and of course, Mark Robinson, who has done a fantastic job. So, round of big applause, and thank you very much, Farah. Thank you, Shah Rukh. Thank you, Shreyas. Thank you, Deepika. Thank you, Arjun.
Thank you once again. And can we do one more walk? I'm getting used to this.
Yeah, one more.
Can we have some music? So I will do a Bollywood one now. A Bollywood one now.